Hello, today we're going to take a trip up the mountain. We're going to check out a little chapel and look at some strange rock formation. So why don't you join us? We are joined in our walk today by John and Elaine. Today our journey starts from the outskirts of Vega de Rio Palma, not far from Casa Naturaleza, where we follow the signs to the footpath. The footpath is well signposted, albeit a little overgrown in areas. This dense grassy area continues for about 200 metres. Then the footpath come riverbed then opens out wider, with some stunning views of the local area. Once we arrive at the viewing point, we slowly take the steps down. Although we haven't had any rain for some time, there's still water trapped in the gorge. On a clear day like today, the views are absolutely stunning and you can see for miles. The temperature is a very hot 31 degrees. I've done this walk I don't know how many times over the last 20 years, and the views never cease to amaze me. There in the distance you can see the Hermitage, which is a small chapel. There has been a chapel on this site since 1497. As you can see, the chapel is on the edge of a cliff, and you really do have to take care coming down the steps. My last visit to the chapel was about 3 years ago, so it'd be interesting to see if anything's changed. Well, sadly the only thing that has changed is the iron gates on the front door. Before the gates were installed, people could come and go as they pleased. People would often leave messages in the register and photographs of loved ones. Sadly that has all changed. I guess it's a sign of the times. If you've enjoyed the video so far, hit the like button and subscribe. Chipmunks. Love them or hate them, they're everywhere on the island. Leaving the little chapel, we continue our journey, slowly climbing upwards to our final destination, Arco de las Penitas. Well, that's it for today's little trip. If you've enjoyed it, join me again next time. In the meantime, be happy.